Hey folks, how you doing? It is Monday the 5th of December, lunch break, and time for another Vlogmas. So I'm going to be vlogging all the way through December, once every day. Today I'm going to be talking about, what am I going to be talking about? Some gear, things I've been buying, been given, and my experiences so far on the gravel bike. So yeah, thanks to Julian Hutchins. I'll drop a link to his channel down in the link below the description, in the comments or something like that. Hey, go have a look for it, you'll find it. He's another YouTuber as well, he's really funny, go and check out his channel. Anyway, he's been very kind and given me a new light to test out. It might tick the box for an event later on this year. Looked quite bright. I'm going to check out the spread on it, probably go out for a proper ride sometime this week after work. Obviously when I do finish work it's dark, so it would be a good opportunity. I just need to force myself out the door. Probably need to do it tomorrow at the latest, because it looks like it's getting very cold after then. So going to check that out, probably do a video for it as well, maybe 6-month review down the line. Also bought a CamelBak, like a pouch. It just sits around the bottom of your back. I'm going to use that some of the bike packing, especially on the gravel bike, and some longer stuff as well. It's kind of as a solution to TCR. Instead of carrying a backpack, and just carry one of those and carry a few bits and bobs and just lightweight stuff, and maybe a drone in there as well. What else am I going to talk to you about? So I talked about a few bits and bobs. There is actually a few mundane things as well, like I bought some slime for tubeless tyres. Also Julian has emailed me saying don't buy any dyno plugs, I'll sort you out, kind of thing. So I just need to reply to his email. And Julian also, all the proceeds from his channel, it goes to a local food bank, so I feel like obliged to make a donation. So if you want to head into his channel. The gravel riding over the weekend, a few more tweaks to the bike fit just to make sure it's absolutely right. In the usual areas really, the saddle, in terms of fore and aft, the height I think I've got about right. I've had to tweak some the cleats a little bit, in terms of bring my toes out a little bit more, because my left foot really is kind of a little bit close to the crank. It needs to push out a little more. I noticed my left leg, like the sort of quads, were getting a little bit tired, and it wasn't because of the terrain or that kind of thing. It's just the bike fit really. So I've moved those out, just need to go out, ride it really, make sure it's okay. What else can I tell you this Monday? Yeah, the weather's going downhill. I'm meant to be at the end of this week riding with Adam Watkins down in Bristol for an Audax, so I'm just going to be closely watching the weather really, see what happens. Right, I think I've talked enough. There wasn't a great deal to tell you. I'll be doing another vlog of course tomorrow as well, so I'll see you in that. Take care, bye bye.